అండి, నేను మీ ప్రియాంక. వెల్కమ్ టు లెర్నింగ్ లెన్స్ ఛానల్. So we will discuss level 2 problems of 8th class in coordinate geometry. So what is asked in the question? The area of the triangle formed by the 3 points, that is a comma b plus c, b comma c plus a, c comma a plus b is given. So what are the points? First write down a of, let it be b plus c, b of b comma c plus a, c of c comma a plus b. So let us assume these points as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. So why I am writing like that is, we have already know the area of the triangle. So according to that, I am mentioning there x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So what is the formula for area of triangle? Is 1 by 2 x1 into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, now just we need to substitute these values in this mod. Okay, so not write down 1 by 2 of what is x1 value a, what is y2 c plus a, c plus a minus what is y3 value a plus b plus what is x2 value b, what is y3 value a plus b, y1 value b plus c plus x3 value. What is x3 value? x3 value is c. What is y1 value? b plus c minus what is y2 value? c plus a. Okay. Now 1 by 2 of a of c plus a minus a minus b. Okay. Plus b of a plus b. I am opening the bracket. I am allowing the minus to the each and every term inside. Plus c of b plus c minus a. So I am removing the bracket. So plus a minus a get cancelled. So and any cancellations we should observe. Always plus and minus will get cancelled. Okay. Now what is left? 1 by 2 of a into c minus b plus b into a minus c plus c into b minus a. Okay. Next, what we should do? We should multiply this with inside like this. Okay. 1 by 2 mod of AC minus AB plus BA minus BC. See, here I am showing the in line in curve form where to multiply. Plus CB minus CA. Okay. See, any cancellations are there here. Plus AC minus AC. I already told 1 plus and 1 minus will get cancelled. So minus AB plus AB minus BC plus BC. That is 1 by 2 mod of 0. 0 by 2 is 0. So the area of triangle is 0 square units.